Hey everyone, it's Justin here again, and I was kind of hoping you could help me plan a birthday party I'm having this week. Don't worry, I'll show you how. It might be helpful though if you know about variables and combining like terms first, so make sure to view those videos if you haven't already. So here's my problem. I invited way more people to my party than I should have. I'm expecting twice as many people as my last party. I'm not sure how many supplies I need. So for my last party, 2 cakes were just enough. Now, how many would I need for this party? Oh, right. We just doubled the amount. I'll need 4 cakes this time. But if we have to double every single party supply, this is going to take forever. Isn't there a quicker way to do this? Wait, why don't we just double everything at once? For my last party, we needed 4 packs of utensils, 8 bags of chips, and 2 packs of streamers. So if we double everything at the same time, remember multiplying by 2 just means adding another set of the same thing. So we add a second set of items and combine like terms, giving us 8 sets of utensils, 16 bags of chips, and 4 packs of streamers. What we just did is called distributing. When you're trying to multiply a group of different things, you have to multiply the whole group, not just one piece or the other. We can't just triple the plates here because we've grouped them with the games, and those need to be tripled too. And we can't just triple the games for the same reason. We have to distribute the 3 to both terms so that both items are tripled at the same time. We also need drinks for our party. For the last party, we bought 5 bottles of soda, but we still had 3 unopened afterwards. Again, we've invited double the people this time, so how much will they drink? For the first party, we bought 5 bottles of soda, which was 3 too many, and we want to double the amount for this party without any leftover. The first method to solve this, and the method you probably used in your head without even realizing it, is to combine the like terms first. 5 bottles of soda minus 3 bottles means 2 bottles of soda were actually drank at the first party. And when we double that, we get 4 bottles for this party. But we could also use distribution for this. We have 2 separate amounts grouped together in the parentheses. We can use distribution here just like we would if these weren't like terms. Distribute the 2 by doubling both terms, and we get 10b minus 6b. What this means is if we double the entire situation from last time, then we buy 10 bottles of soda and have 6 left over. So if we get double as much as last time, how much soda will actually be drank? Only 4 bottles. The same answer that we got using the first method. Alright, so let's see. For double the amount of people, we're going to need 8 packs of utensils, 16 bags of chips, 4 packs of streamers, and 4 bottles of soda. Oh, wait a second. That's for the amount of people I invited? But only a quarter of them said they were coming! Now we need to cut all these supplies by a fourth. Luckily, we now know an easy method to do that. If we group everything at once, then multiply the group by 1/4, and here's what we need for the party. Well, let's go buy everything right away. We're going to have to pay for everything. The utensils cost $4, the chips cost $9, the streamers cost $2, and the soda costs $5. These costs all seem like positive numbers, but we're not gaining that much money. We're giving it to the cashier. So after we put all the costs together, we have to remember that the money is being subtracted from us. This is another case of distribution. We can distribute the negative to everything. Just imagine it's a -1. So we're going to pay 4, pay 9, pay 2, and pay 5 for a total payment of $20. Thanks for your help. I couldn't have planned this party without your quick learning. Maybe this whole distribution thing can help in other places too.